All right, welcome. My name is Tutor Kenny, and this is Omatech Digitals. If you know you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we release video like this, you will not miss out from it. Now, in today's tutorial, we'll be talking about WordPress dashboard. You need to understand the dashboard. We call it admin dashboard. Before you need to start designing any website or carry out any task, you need to understand how the dashboard look like and what are the functions. All these menus you are seeing here, all these menus you are seeing on this admin dashboard, you need to understand them before you start working on your site. If you are a beginner, so this is a beginner class. If you know you don't have any knowledge about WordPress, you are welcome. If you know you have some little knowledge and you need to expand it, then you are welcome. So let's begin. Now, if you take a look at this, this is our dashboard. This is our WordPress dashboard. And for the record, I am working offline. This is my local host. This is my XAMPP. What is XAMPP? As a XAMPP represents a local host. It is an offline version of you viewing your website, like as if you are viewing your website online. So you need a local host, which is XAMPP. So I have started my Apache and I've started my SQL. So with this, I can view my website as if I am online. Now, if you take a look at your screen, the first thing you are going to see is this URL. This URL demonstrates the name of your very site you are working on. Like as you can see, you see localhost slash Rahama and percentage and blah, 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 blah. It's because we are working offline. That is why you are seeing this kind of URL. If we are to work online, yeah, if we are to work online, you see something like your main URL, e.g. youtube.com. That is if you are working offline or online, I beg your pardon. But now we are working offline. Now, first of all, you see a dashboard icon here. Now, under the dashboard, you have your home and you have your update. Your home simply represents the index page of that very dashboard. That is your home. Now, if you go forward, you see updates. In updates, it contains where if your plugins are out of date or your themes are out of date, this is where you'll be getting notifications from. So all you just need to do is just hover there. As you can see, my Elementor, Elementor Pro, and Ocean Extra, they are out of date. So all I just need to do is to just hit select all and update it. Now, the next icon here is Ocean WP. Ocean WP is an external theme that we use. Now, if I hover to appearance and I click on theme, this is my Ocean WP. Now it's telling me my Ocean WP is out of date also. So this is why you are seeing this notification status here. So this is my theme, and that is why it is pinned here. Now, if you go to the next, you see post. In this post, it contains all your posts. If you want to create a new post, if you want to create category for that post, and if you want to create tags for that post. Now, if I click all posts, it displays every post that I've posted on this website. Now, as you can see, I have just one post on this website, which is Hello World. Now, if I view the very post, you'll see that this is the post. Are you with me? This is the post. So I can decide to delete this post by trashing it, and I can decide to leave it. Now, if I decide to create a new post, all I just need to do is click on this add new. Now, once I click this add new, it will take me to an environment where I can put my post title. Then I can come to my body and I can start, writing. If you're a content creator or you are a content writer, this is where you create your post. Then after you're done, you all you just need to do is just to create your category. If there is a category you've created or you want to create another category, all you just need to do is just hit create category and you hit add new category. So anytime I post and I hit this category, this post will be under this category. So all I just need to do, I can create tag and separate it with comma and separate it with comma. So all I just need to do is to just, the next thing, I'm going to add a feature image, the image that will appear on that post. Take for instance, this is the image. So all I just need to do is to just click set feature image, and all I just need to do is click on publish. So meaning I have created this particular post. So if I want to view this post, I will simply click on this link and just view the post. Now, the featured image we created is this featured image, and our post title is this. I remember our content. This is our content. So this is how you create a post. Now, if I hover to all posts, you will see that the post we created, it will appear on all posts also. This is the post we just created. Now, if I want to add category, maybe I'm building a blog site. All I just need to do is to write category. Maybe I can call it category one, and I'll hit add category. I'll click category two, and so on and so forth. So now if I want to create a post, so I don't need to create a desired category again because I've already created my category one and category two. If my post is under category one, all I just need to do is to just tick category one, and I'll release the post. Now, if you say tag, you can create default tags, but I don't advise you creating default tags because if you are releasing some posts, you need to use your desired tags. So if in case you want to click or use any tag, all you just need to do is just type that tag and you just hit tag, and automatically your tags will appear there. Now we move over to media. Now this media, it contains all your images, where you can put your images, where all your images appears. If you want to upload new image, all you just need to do is click on add new and select the desired image you want to upload. All I just need to do is to just click on this, and my image will appear in this place. So you can click on this add new, like I said, to click to add new image. Now this is a plugin I installed to increase the limit of my upload. So you will not see this plugin on your dashboard because you've not installed it. So we move over to pages. Now, if you see pages, they are the pages in your site. Let me just like Facebook, you have Niger Trend, you have friends, you have pages, you have this. So if you want to create something like this, you do that from this very place. You do that from this very place. So let's go to pages. If I click pages, I have two pages here, yeah. So all I'll just need to do is to just click on add new. If I want to click a new page, I will just click on add new, and my page will be added. Let's say I want to call it home. All I just need to do is to just hit publish. Then I click on add new again. Let's say about. Then I hit publish. So this is how you create new pages. Now, if I want to see the pages I just created, all I just need to do is hit on this all pages. Now, if I hit all pages, these are the pages I just created, home and this about. So that's how you create your page on your site. Now, comment. For instance, someone commented on your site. This is where all the comments will appear. If anyone should comment on your site, this is where what all the comments will appear. So all you just need to do is to just click on this comment, and you see all the comments on your website. So you can either approve it, or you can either unapprove it, or you can delete it. If you know they are spamming or the comments that are too much, all you just need to do, you just turn it to spam or you trash it. Now, Elementor here, you will not see it on your dashboard until you install it, because this is an external plugin called Elementor. Is a page builder. Template also is part of Elementor. You might not see it on your dashboard because it's a page builder and it belongs to Elementor. So now we over to appearance. Yeah, appearance here, the first thing you see is theme. Now this theme, it contains the list of all themes on your dashboard. Like I said, I'm using Ocean WP. Now by default, you will see 2021, 2023, and 2022 as default theme on your dashboard. But this you are seeing is an external theme that I installed. So you will not see this on your dashboard. So if you want to activate any theme, all you just need to do is to just click activate, and this theme, it will take your default theme of your site. So by default, I am using Ocean WP because that is what I love using. Now, to every theme, they have their settings. There are some themes you will install, you will not see customize, you will not see widget, you will not see menu. But in terms of Ocean WP, you will see this. Customize is where you customize all your properties, all your website properties, because to every theme there are properties that comes with it. So if you are using Ocean WP and you click on customize, these are the properties you'll be seeing from your Ocean WP. Are we together? So this is your site identity. From here, you can change the title of your site and the tagline of your site. From here, you can change the favicon. As you can see, we have a favicon here. So this is here you change your favicon. So you just play around with all this if you are using Ocean WP as your default theme. Now we move over to plugin. Plugins, it contains all your plugins. Any plugins you install or by default, this is where you see them. This is all the plugins. This is where they will be appearing by default. So if you want to add a new plugin, all you just need to do here is click on add new. Now, if you click on this add new, it will prompt you to either add a default plugin or you want to add an external plugin. So by clicking any of this plugin, you accept that, yeah, you want to install a new plugin. Or if you have already downloaded the plugin and you want to upload externally, all you just need to click on upload plugin, and you choose that desired plugin because it must be zipped. Then you click on install. Now, if you want to edit your plugin, this is where you edit your plugin. Now we move over to users. If you want to create a user on your website, or you want to create a third party to be managing your website, all you just need to do is click on add new. If you want to create a user for someone to be managing your site, all you need to do, click on username, create a username, then click an email, put an email there, then fix the name. You can choose a website and you can give the person a desired password, or you can generate a password for the person. Then in this place, role, this is where you set what the person can be doing. If you make the person an admin, the person have an admin right on your site, meaning the person can delete your site, the person can even delete you. So if you are creating a role for someone, we advise to either make the person editor or an author. Then after that, all you need to do is click on what? Add new. Now from here, you can visit or you can check your profile. You can visit and check your profile. Now we move over to tools. So you can just decide to play with all this here. Now if you want to import a WordPress file, all you just need to do is to click on import and choose any. If it is a blogger site you want to import, if it is a blogger site you want to import to your WordPress, all you just need to do is install this blogger plugin and you import the post, comment and user etc. So you can decide to play along with all this. If you want to export your site, you click on export and you export all your contents. So you can decide to play with all this. All in one WP migration, you will not see it on your dashboard because it is an external plugin that I installed. Now we move over to settings. Now in this setting, this is where you control most functions of your website, like the name of your website, the tagline, your website URL, then your official email address. Now, if you want people to register for your site, you can easily tick here. If you don't want them to register, you can untick it. Then the role, if they are registering, what role should they be? So I advise if someone is registering on your site, the person should just register as a subscriber. In this place, you choose the language you want to be using, the time zone, the time format, and all you just need to do is hit save. Now we move over to writing. Writing, the default category post if you want to be posting, but I don't advise you to choose any default. Leave it on the categorized. Or if you forget to put your post on the category, what category should it fall to? So this is where you set it. If you say it should fall on category 1, meaning anytime you decide to categorize your post and you release it, it will fall under category 1. Your default editor for all users. What default editor do you prefer to be using? Is either classic or block? I prefer classic because I've installed classic editor, so I'll leave it here. You might not see this classic on your own. Will you allow users to switch editors? No, don't allow users. So this is your mail server if you want to configure your mail server. Now in reading, if you are creating your site, first of all, it will stay like this, your post. But if you want to start a static site, all you need to do is click on static page and you make your home page, any page you want to make it at. So if you make it this home, if you view your site, it will take this default home. That is that about what? Static. Now, how many blog posts do you want to be appearing on your blog? You set it from here. After that, you click on save changes. Now we move over to discussion. If you want to allow people to comment your site, if you don't want them to comment on your site, if you want them to be creating an account or you don't want them to create an account, this is where you do everything. Then you just play around it. After you've done that, you hit on save changes. Now let's move over to the most important one. When someone want to click on a page, sometimes if you want to click something like this, let me visit this site, and if I click on recent, this is a dummy page. Now, if I click on a page and I want it to show slash home, or maybe slash 2023 slash page slash this is the place you set it. Like if you want your post to be plain like this, it will come out like this. If you want your post to be day and name, it will come out like this. But I prefer you using post name. Yeah, I prefer you use what post name, the name of your site slash the name of that post. So if your post is about United States, so it will just be your url.com slash about United States. Yeah. So it will just be about United States. So after you've done that, you hit changes. So basically, this is your WordPress dashboard, everything you need to know about your WordPress dashboard before you start out to design your website. If you find value in this video, I want you to smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we do a video like this, you will not miss from it. And if you want us to do any video, I want you to drop a comment on the comment box and tell us the kind of video you want and we will do it.